In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the selection tool. So the selection tool, sometimes called the move tool, is located up here in the toolbars, and it is the one that looks like a black arrow. This little black arrow will allow you to move things around and to select what object you want to move on. So as I move the mouse, you can see I can click and drag various objects and rearrange them. That's the basic thing. I can also click and drag an area, and you can see that it'll select multiple objects at once. If I want to remove an object from selection or add some objects but not others, what I can do is once I have selected one, if I hold down Shift, I can click on a different object, and you can see how it moves both of those but not this since I didn't Shift click that. And if I want to deselect something, I can press Shift and it'll deselect that and will leave me with this one object. Clicking off of the object onto the background will make it so that we are no longer selecting anything. The selection tool has a lot of good properties beyond just moving things around. The selection tool will allow me to define what object I want to work on so that I can see what anchors there are, allow me to resize and rescale things, and it'll allow me to change colors on that singular object if I just have it selected to one object. When I have the object selected, that'll define which object changes will happen to. So right now, if I erase from this, notice how the erase only really happens on the object that I had selected. And as I select and move, I can kind of restructure where things are. So that is the selection tool.